wanna grind, but you look better in person. Working, twerking, throw it and reverse it. Tell me if you nervous, moving like you certain. Curving, slurping, skirting like I'm swerving. Earn it, shorty, you deserve it.
What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am back with a hair review, and this hair is from Mslynn HAIR. I've always heard a lot of good things about this company and stuff like that. I see their name come around a lot. But okay, so let's go ahead and open this box. When you open the box, you will receive the hair and some lashes. So before I open the box, I just want to say this is a 20-inch 360 lace, 150 density. The cap is average size, and this is number 4 hair. I've never received number 4 hair. I've never done number 4 hair. So I'm kind of scared because honestly, I don't know, y'all. Okay, so this feels soft. Oh, this is mad soft. This hair is mad soft. But, oh, okay. They plucking is good. I'm jacking their plucking is good. This hair is real soft. It doesn't have a smell. Like I said, this is a 360, so you have the lace going all the way around the head. You also have 1, 2, 3, 4 combs and the adjustable band, which always come in handy. I love using an adjustable band, but I just want a 360 lace wig that I know is gonna fit for a fact, you know, a wig that I won't have to use the adjustable band so it can sit perfectly flat in the back. Like, yeah, I've never installed a full 360 wig, nor have I ever installed a full lace wig the correct way, meaning like where you can put it up and all that good stuff. But this hair feels soft. I really love it. To be honest, you guys already know what I'm about to say. The color is kind of scary to me because, like, it's before I even opened it, I thought it was giving me old lady vibes. You feel me? No offense or anything, but I want to add some color into this hair. I may do some highlights just to add some type of color to this hair. This hair just looks too flat. I want it to be more, you know, popping. I want it to pop. Like I said, this is Waterwave hair. You guys loved my last Waterwave hair on me, so I'm going to I love my last Waterwave hair, so I'm going to love this one because, like, it's Waterwave. I feel like Waterwave is not too tight and it's not too loose. It's like the perfect type of wave. And a lot of you guys also love the Waterwave on me, so you guys are going to love this hair. This hair is going to be down below. You can get the same exact wig, y'all. The same exact wig. But, yeah, I'm kind of, I don't know, y'all. I've never really done dark colors. Like, this wig is perfect. I love the way it feels. It's 360. It's soft. This hair is also one of my favorite textures, which is Waterwave. But I just want to add something to the hair to make it pop. Like I said, it's just too flat for me. And I don't really like dark colors against my face. No, I'm more of like a bright color. The only dark color I love against my face is black and jet black. But guys, leave down some comments below on what I can do to, like, you know, make this hair pop. But this hair is mad soft and I haven't got any shedding yet. Oh, finally 1 strand. But yeah, I'm really jacking this hair. I love it. This is what I said. This is 20 inches, I think, I believe. This is 20 inches, I believe. But yeah, I really want to know how this is gonna look on me, because I've never done like a dark brown. So you see what I mean? I don't know. How does this look on me, guys? Maybe because it's not installed. But I wonder if the knots are bleached or whatever. I probably have to go in and bleach the knots. But this wig is gonna be this wig is gonna be a surprise. Literally, this is gonna be a surprise install. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but like I said, this is a 150 density 360 lace wig, 20 inches Waterwave. I know you guys are gonna keep asking which wave this is, and this is Waterwave, y'all. Mslynn HAIR. All the hair details will be down below. I can't wait to install. Also, I'm gonna add highlights. I don't know what I'm gonna do to this hair yet, but you guys are gonna see me back on camera already wearing this hair sooner or later. I don't know when, But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 38K, man. Like I said, you can get the same exact wig in the link down below. They have other colors. So yeah, go ahead and get your Waterwave wig. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
You are packing the air, this gas or what? He'll still be alive right now if you niggas ain't gas him up. Give my shorty stimulus and guns, I tell them slap for none.